Let's see how to set up intervals in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, intervals can refer to either the spaces in between characters or words, the spaces between paragraphs, or the spaces between lines. And so to set those up, first make sure that you're on the Home tab. Now let's go ahead and add a random paragraph here so that we can see the changes. And now that we have this, let's go ahead and highlight the entire paragraph. Now, to change the character spacing, let's highlight this sentence, for example. Click on this little icon right here to open up the entire option for font spacing. And right here, under character spacing, you can select to have it either expanded, condensed, or back to normal. Or you can also adjust it to be smaller, as you will see in the preview down here at the bottom, or bigger. Let's go ahead and change this to make it a little bit smaller. And just like that, it is now um, compressed in terms or relative to the other parts of the paragraph. Now to adjust line spacing, what you can do is let's go ahead and highlight this paragraph again. Now look for this icon with two arrows, one pointing up and one pointing down. And you can simply select your preferred spacing. As you can see, that will change when you hover to each of these choices right here. And to adjust the spacing between your paragraphs, what you can do is to change or adjust the before and after right here when you click this icon under the paragraph section. And you can also opt to check this box which says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. And basically, that is how you can set up intervals in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.